Myself, Dr. Ansari Farzana Veduzama, Department of Chemistry, JT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Maligaon. Welcome all of you. Today we shall discuss about the ultraviolet or continue the ultraviolet and visible spectroscopy, interaction of electromagnetic radiation, interact with a chemical species in variety of way like reflection, refraction, absorption, diffraction, scattering, etc. and etc. All these interactions depends upon the properties of matter and they do not involve a long term change in energy. Whenever electromagnetic radiation encounters matter normally, one of the following effects are observed. See, electromagnetic radiation may undergo surface reflection. See, incident radiation on the object. Central is normal and then it is reflected ray or reflected wave. Electromagnetic radiation may transmit it completely through the substance it encounters. If absolutely no energy is absorbed by the material, it is said to be transparent to radiation. The velocity of radiation is slower in transparent medium and as a result radiation usually undergo refraction. No one known material is totally or perfectly transparent. See, the electromagnetic radiation may undergo surface refraction. The electromagnetic radiation may be totally or partially absorbed by the substance. This process energy is transferred to the absorbing medium and this may cause changes to occur within the absorbing medium. Thus, the electromagnetic radiation carries energy. When such a radiation is absorbed by the substance, the absorbed radiation delivers its energy in the form of discrete eye called as quanta or photon as shown in the figure. Wavelength. This is the distance between the two successive maxima or minima on electromagnetic wave. Usually, wavelength is expressed in angstrom or in centimeter unit. However, the unit of wavelength varies from region of electromagnetic spectrum. The most commonly employed unit which are related to each other are as follows. 1 micron is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter is equal to 10 angstrom. 1 micron is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 nanometer. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter is equal to 0.1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter is equal to 10 angstrom. So 1 millimicron is equal to 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom. Frequency, the number of complete wavelength unit passing through the given point in unit time is called as frequency of radiation and it is denoted by nu. This is generally expressed in cycle per second or in hertz. 1 cycle per second is equal to 1 hertz wave number. This is the number of wave per centimeter in vacuum. Nu is equal to 1 upon lambda. The unit of wave number is per centimeter, that means reciprocal of distance for which is denoted by the name Kaiser, who is assigned 1 Kaiser is equal to 1 per centimeter. Relation between frequency, wavelength and wave number. The product wavelength in centimeter, frequency in per second is equal to the velocity of wave in the medium. See, this is the relation. H nu is equal to C. C is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to 10 centimeter per second. But rearranging this equation, take the nu C from this right hand side to left hand side. Therefore, it becomes 1 upon lambda is equal to nu upon C. But putting this value in above quantity, nu is equal to 1 upon lambda. So, instead of 1 upon lambda, you can write here nu bar is equal to nu upon C, the value of equation. So, nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda is equal to nu upon C. Sterlite, all wavelength devices produce some intensity of light at different wavelengths than the one used for measurement. It may be due to optical error or scattered radiation due to dust particle. Due to this, there is negative deviation from Beer's law. This intensity is decreases and the analyze show N absorbance. Cut off wavelength, it is defined as the wavelength at which the absorbance of solvent in a cell with one and path length is 1. Expanded scale spectrophotometry, also called as differential or precision spectrophotometry. It means expanding the readout scale by different procedure. Difference spectrophotometer, in this a double beam instrument is used to measure the difference in absorbance between two samples. It is used for measuring small differences between the almost identical solution. Wavelength selector, filter or monochromator used is known as wavelength selector. Match cell having nearly identical path length and that transmit radiation to nearly the same extent. Some terminologies involved in spectrophotometry analysis are radiant energy. This is explained as energy transmitted as electromagnetic radiation. This has dual property, that means both particle and wave motion. Particle and wave. This is characterized by wavelength and frequency. The relation between wavelength and frequency is E is equal to h nu or is equal to Sc upon lambda, where lambda is the wavelength in centimeter, nu is the frequency in second, and c is the velocity of light. The wavelength may be expressed in angstrom or meter or micrometer or depending on its magnitude. Macrometer is the referred term in the place of old term micron. Similarly, nm nanometer is the preferred term in place of old term millimicron. A unit and nanometer, angstrom unit and nanometer are widely used for ultraviolet and visible region. The spectrum, while macrometer is the common unit for IR region. Electromagnetic radiation possesses a certain amount of energy. The energy of unit radiation is called as photon and is related to the frequency by equation E is equal to h nu or is equal to nu is nothing but c upon lambda. So this equation can also be written as E is equal to Sc upon lambda. Radiant power, this is also called as intensity. Energy per unit time is called power. Radiant power can be explained as the rate at which energy transported in a beam of radiant energy. This is the quantity measured by detector such as photocell or even by the thermocouple. The radiant power incident upon a cell is given by the symbol P suffix 0. and transmitted is given by the symbol P. Transmittance. This is simply the fraction of incident power transmitted by the sample. This is the ratio of radiant power of transmitted light by the sample to the radiant power of incident light upon the sample, both being measured at the same spectral position and with the same slit width or diameter. Therefore, transmittance can be written as T is equal to P upon P0. It is expressed in percentage, so percent transmittance is equal to P upon P0 into 100. Thank you for watching.